Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Good day, sir.
Good day.
Sir, please, I'm sorry to disturb you, sir. If you take a very good look at me, you see that I'm not a beggar. But, sir, I need your help.
Solo now.
You know me before.
Last rep, banking and finance, 210 to 11 session. How cheaply?
Ekeze.
Come.
Ekeze. Man, it's like that. Bro, you are looking good now.
Papa, man, I do all right now. God, do. I'm with the soap now. That's what you say, day.
Papa, I just do. Now these ones I can't they do now. After they follow up, till they see front.
Class rep, you. Solo, no now. No now. Baba, anytime Motomo go somewhere, sit down. Solo, wait.
Ekeze.
Solo. My man. That is one of the best class rep. How will Tripoli 210 to 11 session?
Man, you don't forget things.
Solo, welcome to my home. Welcome to my home. You know, say, after school that time, man, I just get one small job. You know, they pay me 200K monthly. They earn on around 2.4 million. If I calculate the small miscellaneous when they, you know how they be now. Now I tell I arrange this small place and this baby.
My brother, I'm happy for you. I did very, very happy for you. Well done.
Thank you, but Solo, the moment I see you today, the team paid me. I know like my class rep when I know, you know if the street they beg now. It don't make sense. You, brain machine, banking and finance, one of the you know how they be now. See, what did they be say? Solo, I go help you. Thank you. You get job opportunity when they my office presently now. Okay. I go call my chairman, say how far I get person one carry come. You understand? I'll make sure say I do everything possible to make you secure that job. I don't say if you get the job, if you gather one or two together, you'll do it past this one now. Wait till go there now be say, we'll go inside, but I need to go know your house. Man, know your house. So if I go work tomorrow morning, I will stop over carry you. We need to quick secure that job. Early momo, we don't go there. Sure you understand? So we'll go. If we come back, we can't go one side go.
But that no me say the thing I beg you know, see give me oh.
I don't get anything now. Oh, yeah. You can take it. More reach your house first.
No! They know they blow on for this area. Everybody for here na big man, we know they like noise. We get remote. You press your remote, the door will open. I better enter.
That's what they do for here. Hey!
My man, welcome to my humble abode. Now you are the manager.
Solo, how you say they manage pay this house rent? This not too much for you.
This now one of my houses. Oh. I know the parents. Now my house be this.
Wait, Solo. You missing at the beg where you dey beg you take build this house.
Can you imagine? Me I no get another work. Now this work I take build this house. Buy all these cars. That car's one of my car. This one belongs to my wife. That one for school run. As I talk to you, very soon I'll go move into my new duplex where they built for that street there. God has been blessing the works of my hand. Can you imagine?
For bed. Good day, sir. Yeah, good day. Sir, please, I am very sorry to disturb you this afternoon, sir. Okay. If you look at me very well, you will know that I'm not a beggar, sir. Please, sir. My wife just put to bed, sir. And I need the sum of 30,000 naira to add to the money I have here to discharge them from the hospital.
Very wicked man. I feel black, wicked.
Yeah, but I don't have up to 30,000 of it.
Sir, anything at all, anything.
Okay, I think this would be not like that mistake.
Thank you, sir.
I'll take off your neighbor, baby.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
They want.
Happy hands.
Give us never lack.
Happy hands.
Give us never lack.